My name is Esther. I'm a past student of Equipping for Destiny. When I came for Equipping for Destiny, I was a carnal Christian. I noticed that there is a hunger in me, a thirst for something more different from being religious. But I don't know how I can get the spiritual food to fill up the thirst until I come across Equipping for Destiny. After the course, I serve God diligently now, and I see that my gifts, my talent is not meant for myself alone. It's meant for Christ to reach out to the hungry souls like me. When I came for the program, I see the transformation in my life. Now I can see that my purpose is being defined to souls outside there. And now I don't live for myself now, I live for Christ, for the souls that God has attached to my life. So my marriage, I've been married before I came for this course. I didn't know that marriage is beyond physical look, food, eating, clothing, and all. Marriage is attached to your purpose in life. When I came for this course, my marriage took a new shape. I see that I serve God in my husband. I don't see it as a norms, but I see it as a service unto God. I do it wholeheartedly every day, and I see my marriage as a blessing, not just that, okay, I just want to marry because of people I'm getting married. This training gave me divine wisdom to handle my work with integrity, not profits driven. Since I joined this training, I began to see my business as a platform to serve God and people, not just make profits, but to serve God. Since I joined this training, I realized that I became more spiritually alert, disciplined, and confident in working with God daily. If you desire to know your divine calling, grow spiritually, and have a balanced life and a purposeful life, this training is for you. Equipping for Destiny is not just a training, it's a life-transforming experience that will never leave you, but stays with you.
You are the next now to enroll. Come now and enjoy God. Come and receive what God has prepared and that He exclusively reserved for you. In case you need more clarity, you can make a call and make necessary inquiry. Drop your comment. God bless you.